Hi there! So today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box for March of 2019. Always exciting. And first off, I'm going to go ahead and review the previous month's box, and that is from February 2019. So I will go ahead and leave a timestamp right here. That way, if you just want to see the unboxing, you can go ahead and skip ahead. So first, I want to talk about this Touch and Soul No Pore Problem Primer, and this was absolutely everything I wanted it to be. I wanted it to, be everything that every YouTuber who liked it said it was going to be, and I felt like when I put it on my face felt so velvety soft, and I didn't feel like it broke me out or anything, which is always what you look for in a primer, right? So I'm very, very happy that I have that in my collection, and for $18, I definitely recommend it. I definitely feel that it made such a really nice base for my foundation to go over, and my skin is combo oily, so I don't think that it made it too hydrated throughout the day or made my skin even more so oily. So I'm definitely happy with that product, and I am glad that I received it in my bag. So this here is another product that I absolutely loved, just as I assumed I would, and this is from Nudestix. It's their Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil. So here it is here. I used it a few times, and you really don't need that much. I think it's an absolutely easy product that I think every person needs in their makeup collection for those days where you want to put makeup on, but you don't have all the time in the world to blend out a shadow. So what I did is I would just put something like a bronzer in my crease and then put this all over, and mascara, eyeliner, and done. And you don't even need all that. It's a beautiful shade. It didn't crease whatsoever on my eyelids, and I am so excited, and I think that I am going to purchase more. Isn't that awful? But I really think it's a really easy one and done type thing, so I'm super happy about it. Alright, so I know I've been super positive, but we'll go ahead and talk about a product that I absolutely hated. And it was funny because it was a product that I wanted so badly to be in my Boxycharm, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. You guys, so I love the regular Boom Boom cream. I think it's one of the best smelling lotions that you could ever put on your body, and I love it for the fact that it stays, like, the scent lingers, but not in a way that makes me sick personally. I know some people don't like it for that reason, but it is something that I enjoy. And this, okay, so when you first smell it, it's okay, it smells all right, but when I put it on, I swear to you, it smells like freaking popcorn, and I hate that. And every time I put it on, I hated the smell, and I hated the fact that it lingered. And I know I sound really bitter, and it's because I was so excited to receive this, and I used it maybe twice, and I can't use it any longer. I figured I could just maybe, put it on my legs after I shave, or just use it that way at night, and then I'll be asleep and wouldn't bother me or whatever. But when my sheets start smelling like it, I just couldn't take it, and I offered it to my boyfriend to wear because I'm nice like that, and he puts it on, and I could smell it on his skin, and I don't like it. I don't want to smell like movie theater popcorn, and I think I am going to give it to someone who might enjoy that scent. I don't know. I know someone out there does, so I'm sure one of my family members will be happy to receive this. I'm glad that I didn't spend my hard-earned cash and buy this like full price, So thank you, Boxycharm, for letting me try this out, but I'm gonna give this one a hard pass. Definitely wouldn't recommend that scent. So next we have the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade Sparkling Sass. So this was really beautiful. To be honest, I wanted the bronzer instead of the highlighter because I just love bronzers, but I am so happy that I have this one as well. This was absolutely beautiful, and I felt it throughout the day. It didn't fade. So beautiful, didn't fade. I don't think that it emphasized the texture on my skin, so I'm very happy to have received this. And Pretty Vulgar, I haven't found a product that I hated yet. So, and then lastly we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, And this is something that I really, really like. And I feel like once it starts drying out, it starts to flake a little bit. So you kind of have to watch out for that. I don't think it's extremely awful. Like there might be a little fleck at the end of the day, but you can just wipe it away. Like it won't smudge or anything or mess up your makeup, or my makeup anyway. So I really like this. This is a tube that I had already had opened. And then the one that I received in the Boxycharm is in my backup drawer for later use when this one runs out. So I absolutely loved that February box. And other than the lotion, I really, really, truly loved every item. So I was super happy. And so now we will go ahead and move on to this month's box, which is the March box. And I will show you what I received in there. So sadly, this one came extremely late, and I know Boxycharm, you know, I think his name is Yosef, who is the CEO of Boxycharm. He had to put out a video stating as to why, you know, a lot of the shipments, not all, but a lot of the shipments were extremely late was because of weather conditions, and I understand that. And you know, the fact that we were even upset in the first place kind of says something, because Boxycharm is so consistent, and they always get to us right away, like even with customer service. And this is only my experience. Like if I've had a broken palette, they get to me right away, they replace it. And this shipment being late, he addressed it. And you know, I mean, what more can you ask? He can't, you know, helicopter in everyone's box individually. So it is what it is. It came in late. It happens. It's just makeup. Either way, I was excited because I saw a few of the spoilers. And so we'll go ahead and talk about the first spoiler. So again, I guess it's the theme for this month, but a lot of people were really upset that they got a certain shade, because there were two variations. There was a light to medium, and then the medium deep or dark, something like that. So a lot of people were filling out their beauty profile on Boxycharm, hoping that they would get the color that, you know, suited them best, and a lot of people didn't. So that was unfortunate. And so when I got the box, I was kind of nervous to, you know, get a palette that I wouldn't be able to use. Between the light and the dark, there's a really big range, and I wouldn't be able to pull off the dark whatsoever. So, you know, fortunately for me, I did get the light medium, so I'm able to use this palette. But, you know, I'm sorry for those who got the palette that they couldn't use. That really sucks. But, I mean, you know, give it to someone you love, or donate it if you're not going to use it. But, you know, we pay $21 a month for this box. You get a bunch of other great stuff. So, I mean, take it for what it is, you know? So the product that I'm talking about is this Cover FX palette, and this is the Perfector Face palette. And so this contains, let's see here, there's a brightener, finishing powder, highlighter, two highlighters, a contour, and a blush. So I'm really excited to be able to use this. I am addicted to face palettes, so I'm glad that this was one that I didn't have to pay full retail value on. I have heard really great things about this. I have yet to put it on my face, but I promise I will, and I will let you know next month what I think about it, but fingers crossed. And then next we have this MODA Duo. It's a Powder and Soft Glow Brush Duo, and like I said in my Ipsy bag that I recorded previous to this, it'll probably be up before, so I will go ahead and put it in the cards. That way you can watch it and see what great stuff I got in there as well. So these two brushes are, upon first fill, are extremely soft, so that's nice. And this packaging is beautiful. This rose gold, I love that. That's really pretty. I'm sorry about the leaf blower if I haven't said that already, but they're out there doing their job, man. You can't hate that, right? So this is a powder brush, which we can all use. I put on powder every single day. And then this is a soft glow, kind of like a highlighter type style thing. I also like to use these types of brushes that are really, really flexible. I like to use them to like dust away powder, or if I have like eyeshadow fallout, I like to use it for that as well. And so I am very happy with those. We'll move on to the next product. So now next we have this long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco by Ofra. And this is a metallic lipstick, so I don't know if I'm gonna love it, but I will try it out because the color is really beautiful. And you know, summer is right around the corner, so I mean, I might be into that in month or so. So we'll go ahead and try that out as well. And then next we also have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So now this is something that, oh sorry, that's really reflective. So this specific product is something that I kind of heard mixed reviews on. Some people like it, some people don't like it, so I guess I just have to see for myself. I do like masks. I don't know if I love peel-off masks, but you know, maybe this might be a good one. Either way, I know it's stupid, but the pink packaging is really pretty. Anyway, I did like the Wander Beauty mascara that we got a while back, so I'm excited to try some more Wander Beauty products. And now lastly in the box, I have this, okay, I'm not gonna try to say this brand, but it is a Volumizing mascara, and the packaging is super cool. So it's kind of like this gold packaging and it's twisted. It's really kind of Matrix looking, isn't it? But here is, I'll show you if I can get it. It's really reflective, so it's kind of hard to see, but there is the brand's name. I'm sorry, I won't even try, but I will list everything that I mentioned here today, including the past products. I'll list those all down below, as I always do. And I think that's it. Oh, sad. I hate when you get to the bottom of the box, right? Well, anyway, I will go ahead and leave you with that, guys. I gotta get my butt off to work, but I hope you are having a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found the reviews helpful and you found the unboxing really exciting, as I do every month. It's like Christmas. It's a little gift to yourself every month. For $21 to receive all this makeup, it makes me happy. So I hope you think about subscribing to my channel. I do also have a Boxycharm link down below. Obviously I make no money off of it, but it is kind of like something that you get when you sign up yourself. You'll get that referral link, and I think you earn like Boxycharm points from it. So I'll leave my personal link down below, as well, like I said earlier, as well as everything that I mentioned here today. And I will go ahead and leave you with that. I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to stay kind and be awesome, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.